Welcome back to another live trading recording. Live trade with me. Oh my god. Pretty freaking simple day today. To be honest, we are delivering out of a weekly gap, as you can see on both time frames. And if we continue bullish, we should just come up to all these highs here. Perfect. We've got old AM high, and then what's that? An hourly intermediate, or even a 4 hour. Okay. So yeah, I'm bullish. Oh, we are about to get 5-minute inverse. Yeah, you know what? I'm kind of two scenarios here. If we do decide to come up into the 4 hour here and we don't get an entry, we can look for shorts. But if we do happen to get an entry long, perhaps out of this 15-minute intermediate low, I would hope. We have 4 hour gap here. 4 hour gap here, and then New York AM as well as another point of liquidity. So that could be like a break-even point, realistically. But looks like we might just flush to it now. I mean, there's no reason for us to come down before market open. It's already mitigated this 15-minute. Trade idea would be like this. There's generally no reason we come lower here. I'm just gonna look at ES real quick. See what scenario we're in. Already into a 4 hour. There's a daily gap up here, which I don't believe we have on NQ. Also can't. There's a little volume imbalance here. Also come into that. Struggling to pass the 5-minute now. We're at 50% of the range. Not yet. Okay. So I can see us still coming up maybe. Right, there you go. It's just buy side liquidity. What I want here is just a remanipulation of this 15-minute intermediate low, and then we get long. That's all I want, to be honest. But I think we could just go up straight into it. V-shaped recovery, 5-minute inverse. There's no reason for us to come lower here. But I'm not going to take a pre-market trade just because I never have before. But watch this play. Uh, okay, we've got bearish S&T actually from, yeah, CS has already hit these 4 hours up here. It's already hit this one. I wouldn't mind a short out this 4 hour. Let's just hope we can come down. Oh my god, look at this shit. That will play out. But I'm not never taken a pre-market trade. I think I've taken one just before market open, but never a pre-market. I do have LR all the way down here, but there's such a high resistance gap here that I'm not too worried about it. Oh, we've taken out all the LR. That's a bit annoying. Like, I'll either take a mech short out of this 4 hour or a continuation long out of this 15-minute or 30-minute, however you want to call it. It's also a 30-minute gap. I'm just going to mark that out. There's also a breakaway gap down here, which I don't think we'll come to. Just going to mark out the 30-minute bullish gap. Do it on this as well. Just because this looks like it's in a spot of distribution to go down, but we don't have that on NQ yet. So I'm still bullish until 4 hour. It's not 4 hour here. We are expecting this 4 hour right now, so there's no reason really for ES to come up anymore. I can see a reaction out of the 30-minute. We have relative equal highs here now, which is nice. We did take out that there. Looking for a open low. Close high, we don't have an estimate yet. That's high. I'll probably want to go break even at this deal here, or even this external. Are we in anything to the left at the moment? Literally nothing. That looks like a good mech if it comes up here, and then we get a short. That's on the 5-minute. Okay, highest time frame is this 1 minute here. So I'm just going to get my buy limit order ready, just in case. ES has not hit the 15-minute yet. Okay. That is a big push down. Big push down. Get rid of that. Yeah, still hasn't come into the 30-minute. We have a big rejection block here. Mark that out as a rejection block. She's just tapped into. We currently have an S&T here. It's not too much structure, which is annoying. An RR would be rather shit, in my opinion. There's a 30-second here, but I'm not too interested in that. Rather get a resweep and then get a continuation long here. Is that AM high? It is. Yeah, still hasn't manipulated. I think that's an okay 30-second, to be honest. I don't know. Seems that RR is really just trash. Okay, we don't get the 1 minute close somehow. Okay. Okay, yes, it's just hit that. Um, the 30-minute, sorry. So if this does come up in reverse now, give me a good close, I wouldn't mind taking it. Building an order block here. Potentially, we could be coming down to resweep this. We've now even we've got more LR here, which is nice. I don't really like any of this. If you do get a close up here, could put my stop down here. No, this is not an order block apparently. Yeah, we've got triple equal highs now up here, leading up to 4 hours. So it's low resistance leading up to 4 hours, which is really good. Can we get a resweep? Got 5-minute rejection block both sides, which is not really great. Currently have an S&T here. So we've got two S&Ts. All I'm looking for like is just a bullish close. If we get the resweep here and inverse this, I would not mind that trade. Okay, we now don't have 1 minute. Fucking great, mate. What was going on? Yes, doesn't chop his work. Get the resweep here. Have a tiny ass 1 minute. Just going to check on big NQ if that 1 minute's there. Yeah, it is. I'm just getting my buy limit ready. Or just see how much I want to risk. I'll show you ES. Sorry, ES is on my bottom screen, which you can't see. Right now, it's not looking great. We definitely have more LR than the first time. We are distributing really fast to the downside, which I'm not loving. We've hit the equilibrium of this 30-minute. And we've hit this kind of area here, which is nice. Don't really want to take any of that. There's a 2-minute opening up here, which is nice. We are bullish. Oh my god, we're just going down. Fit 50% of this range. I'm still bullish. I'm just looking for a close up now. I wouldn't really want to see this low being taken. You've got a sweep, you've got a resweep of this. Still holding an S&T. Okay. Okay, buddy. I mean, if this 30-minute gets disrespected, I'm fine to be bearish bias, but I'm not really sure what reacting off of. I guess we do have an S&T with this 4 hour. That 30-second would have been a very even, I think. I'm just going to mark out this 15-minute intermediate low down here. Because we are creating a bearish 5-minute. Gonna get rid of all my shit really quick. So there's a tiny possibility of longing towards that. But we are just booming down. Failing to close high. I don't know how. If we were going to go to the 4 hour, I really would expect us to go straight away. They're just coming down here. Let's just chill. We're coming to the 1 hour, change the state now. I thought this low is still protected. I would assume this low is protected. These lows less so. I think I'll look for a long out of either here or here. Would you take that 5-minute inversion? No, not really reacting off anyway. This could be like the deepest student of all time. Yeah, I'll take a Mac from here. Oh, I'd rather take it from here. I'd like a bit more generation of liquidity before we get there, like this, and then inversion to the upside rather than what we're doing now. I don't think I'd long up this now. Too close to it. And then if we do sweep this, we'd like to get an S&T as well. 5-minute continuation. It's not sponsored. I actually just don't get this move. So I don't think I'll take a 5-minute continuation. I mean, draws are obvious. Like, again, we could still just hold up in this 15-minute and come higher. Sun comes out. Help if you got a 15-minute intermediate right here. That'd be nice. My stomach is hungry. No way. We could be coming up from here. Come into this tiny fair for value gap, but loads of LR here. This is adding to it. Like, we could just come up from here. Don't have to go down into this. To fill more orders, we have filled the gap basically as well. So I'm just trying to be patient. Why does EOS look so much better? Yeah, come into a 5-minute gap here. Just see the kind of reaction we're getting. Got a 15-minute intermediate low on both. It's much more obvious than this one. I just don't like this short. Still in the 15-minute. 5-minute is unsponsored as fuck. Oh, okay. So TP. um, actually don't know why I can't enter these positions. The only thing that was stopping me was that the 5-minute was unsponsored, and now we're in between two conditions. But there's so much LRR to the downside. I swear to God, I would have taken that on eval, dude. On just back testing. Sorry. Still got this sell side. Intact, and then we got loads lower. It's just a shallow retrace. I wasn't gunning for lower. Like, Guys, I just don't know what I'm doing, man. I don't know what I'm doing. Why haven't I taken that? Scared of losing? Okay. Let's try and lock in a bit. Major S&T. At this, we hold the 15-minute, swept at 15-minute intermediate lows. So it's got a 15-second inverse, but to where, like a 2-minute, so not really fan of that. I'd rather get a 5-minute. Do get a stop on the side there. Okay, we've got a 5-minute here. And we got equal highs. I think that's a solid quiz suit, to be honest. Come into the 5-minute. We have just swept sell side liquidity. We do have more liquidity below. I don't think I'd want to short out here. Of course, that 15-second fucking plays. There's like zero reason to short out of here. We've already hit the external target. I just wanted the deeper retrace here, man. This is like... don't know. I just don't see us filling too many orders here. Sorry. This is really rejecting out of this 15-minute. We are going to get a 15-minute up here. We'll see if we inverse this 5-minute. I don't think that's a bad play. We've got a high time frame S&T as well. But then again, come in accumulation manipulation to nothing, and then distribution out. Like I don't really know what's going on. These two assets are not correlated. Look at this. Wow. V-shaped recovery. Expecting this LR build up on the S. There's just no really decent targets here. Do you get a change in the state? 15-minute, 5-minute intermediate high. See, ES just does not look like it wants to short whatsoever. Five-minute there. What are we doing here? I think I've just missed out on everything right now. Okay, I'm hoping to get some kind of manipulation up and then an inversion downside. It doesn't look like it's happening. What the hell is going on? It's so slow. There is a 15-minute up here, but it looks like a breakaway gap. We've got a 15-minute change of state, which we just came into actually. Fuck. I still rather a stop hunt up here. Are we going to get it? What's the position here? Ah. Oh my god. Looks like the daily just manipulated higher and then we're coming lower. Games this change of state. It would have come into the 4 hour if it wanted to. I'm happy to take continuation shorts here, I think. So I've got loads of that on. Yes. It's taking about 15 years to happen. I was expecting this 5 minute actually. Like, dude. Fucking hell. 1 minute gap has sent us 300 points lower. Holy shit. Okay, we're building our RLR here. This is appearing annoying. Yeah, resweep with an S&T. I think this looks fine for longs. Well, we have reached the target here. I doubt it's going to span all the way now to get us to this off a 5 minute. I think we need more liquidity. Come on, you little leak. Do something. SH means stop hunt. Right, we need some distribution here. Okay, we've got 1 minute. There's no way that 1 minute distributes us all the way down. What, 5 minutes, sorry. This is becoming a 15-minute as well in like 2 minutes. So just something to look out for. An SMT here. Now a 2 minute and the exact location. It's like we're dribbling towards the downside here, which is not what I wanted. 15 minutes really bearish. 5 minutes bearish. Okay. I've broken structure on the 15 minute as well. Wow. Bloody fought. Got a freaking 4 minute here. If you do get a change in the state, I will go for it. So I'll go for it, and I've gone for it. I don't really care about the 4 minute close here because we changed the state in the 1 minute. I don't see a break-even point apart from this 15-minute. Those are the 3 and the 2 as well. So that's something to note. Yes, it's really bullish. We got LOLO on both. So hopefully this can just play out for me. Break even would be the 15-minute. Could be our fault just for longing when it's so bearish, but I don't know. I think we're quite overextended. We got really good S&T with the S, but this does not look promising, does it? It's just cray. Oh, this is tough, man. I've been fading shitty trades, man. And they've been playing out. It's just tough in the mental, bro. I'm not going to take another trade, but um, I'm just surprised how that's just gone straight to my stop loss. Well, nearly did anyway. No way, it's just order block saving me. Oh. Yeah, look at the 4 hour. It's so bearish. Why did I do that? Um, I mean, I'm just down myself now because it's in drawdown, but didn't get the highest time frame inverse because we got changed of the state, and therefore I wasn't really bothered with the highest time frame inverse. But it looks like it's coming back to bite us. Um, and yeah, we just need to push up, and then so much low resistance will just go. Oh, twaddle. Okay, that should be GG's. Um, yeah, me not taking the highest time frame inverse and taking the change of the state is it seemed valid. It seemed valid, but looks like we are just going to go straight to our stop here now. That's out the 4 minute. Um, just stop me up, bro. It's really rejecting this 4 minute, huh? I think we got one trade in the accounts after this, and then they're just gone. There's good draws. There's LR. There's an S&T. It's a PO3, kind of. There's many good things about that trade. Fucking hell. First time we've been out of drawdown. Now coming around the LR. No break even until it's 15-minute. Still. What the fuck? Brother. Buddy. If we get break even after all this, I'm going to kill myself. Holy stop loss placement. What's my profits if I get this? Buy limit 3. 457 across 2 accounts. 1-to-1, yeah. Okay. Don't know what the fuck ES is doing. No. Checking there's no 30-minute. Yeah, there is a 30-minute. Exactly where our break even is. Brother. Okay, it's gonna edge the fucking thing. So I'm gonna put it back to here where it was. Hmm. But why aren't we going to the 15-minute? This shit is annoying me. No, we actually have no business coming down here. We've got a breakaway gap. And let's get up to the 50-minute anyway. Let's push towards TP, dude. I actually can't put my stop break even. I can't go break even yet. Okay, now I can. Come on. Come on, you little rodent. Come up to my take profit. Come on. Come on. Oh no, it's going to be break even after all this. Oh my god. It's going to keep at me after all of that pain. After all of that pain. Oh. You literally got to be kidding me. Oh. I know it's going to stop me out for like minus 100 as well. This tends to do that when I put my stop break even. Oh, this is so jarring. Oh, this is so jarring. Yeah, I said it. Oh, oh, oh. When did it inverse the 4 minute? Oh my god, here. That would have been nice. Let's just pretend we did that. So the 1 minute change the state. Oh my god, come on, you little shitbag. A little more. No reason to come down on a yes.
Have you seen this man? That's very good. Can I have the leader to hang on my purple, please? Yeah. Have you seen this man?
These two mates went on a quest to find the best trader in the world, and they found this fella, Brent Carlisle, winner of the 2024 Trading World Cup on a live, audited account. They picked his brain to find out how he did it, and here's the daft bit. He wasn't chasing winners. He had a method for cutting out the losers, and that sent his win rate right.
Well, with my luck, it's going to edge my TV. Oh. Oh. Thank the fucking Lord for that. Okay, you can see up 450 on that account and then up 440 on that account. Why is it less? I don't fucking know. Decent. Oh my god, look how close you are to being stopped out there. W stop placement. Just little 1-to-1. Little 1-to-1. Nice, that puts us slightly out of drawdown. Okay, we're back to basically break even on this account, and then on this account we are. Why is that so low? Hello. basically got 3 trades left before we lose. Damn, I could have pushed it to 500, but I don't want to be greedy. That is me done for the day. That was so close. How many minutes was I in that for? Fucking 16, 22. Of course, it's just flashing now. Oh well, I'm gonna stop recording and go get something to eat because I'm starving. Thank you for watching. That was tense.